Today we talk about how can you select time zone on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more. And just click on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do. So you just click here on account settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now. So just click on here. So you click here on edit profile. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open with you here. So then you come to this list, you just go down here, click here on this photo here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to time zone, and here can you select time zone here in this list. Then you go down, click here on save changes here. Then it's going to save with you here time zone on your Lumosity app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.